Here is the preview video for the entire week. So we'll start with Monday, October 18th. We're going to be working in math on multiplying multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000 and recognizing the patterns. In grammar, we're going to be working on nouns, common, proper, and plural. After music for science, we're going to review tectonic plate boundaries and watch a Generation Genius about the time scale of Earth's events. We have digital learning today, so we will not be doing writing. And after lunch and recess for literacy, we have Morphology Monday, and we're going to share our schema about the Titanic. On Tuesday, the 19th, we have lesson 6, and we're going to multiply 2-digit multiples of 10 by 2-digit multiples of 10. And for Math Win, we're going to work on times 10, times 100, times 1,000. We'll have gym. And for science, we're going to read section 2 and watch a Generation Genius video on weathering and erosion and take a Kahoot as a quiz. For writing, we're going to turn questions into responses. And then after lunch and recess, for literacy, in our literacy room, the kids are going to go into breakout rooms and read different Titanic passages about the different classes aboard the Titanic, how the Titanic was built, iceberg ahead, and why the Titanic sank and who survived. On Wednesday, we'll start with the topic B quiz, and then we'll start topic C, which is 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. After snack, we'll do times 10, times 100, times 1,000 at session 3 of Math Win. And after gym for science, you're going to learn more about weathering and erosion. You're going to do some doodle notes and coloring. And there are also activities in our Google Classroom for you to complete. For writing, you're going to find the missing main idea, reasons, sentences, and fix them. And after lunch and recess, it is Word Ladder Wednesday. And in our Literacy Win, we're going to begin reading Finding the Titanic, chapters 1 and 2, and we're going to learn a strategy called Just the Gist to summarize those 2 chapters. On Thursday, it's lesson 8, and it's going to be 3-digit and 4 digits by 1-digit multiplication. And we'll have our 4th session of times 10, times 100, times 1,000 Math Win. And after music and science, we're going to read section 3, learn more about weathering, erosion, and sedimentation, and do an activity with clay. Because we have course and collaboration in the afternoon on Thursday, we have literacy in the morning, and we're going to read chapters 3 and 4 of Finding the Titanic and summarize them using the strategy of Just the Gist. And then after lunch and recess, it is chorus. And finally, Friday, October 22nd. In math, we are continuing to multiply 3 and 4-digit numbers by 1 digit using just a standard algorithm, straight math. For grammar, we're going to finish up with our nouns, common, proper, singular, and plural. And for writing, we're going to work on word reference. After art, we're going to read about the fossil record in our reader and complete some investigations. On quarry rocks, we're going to observe rocks, and we're going to learn more about Pangaea. After lunch and recess, we're going to read chapters 5 and 6 in Finding the Titanic and summarize them using Just the Gist. And then after school, I'm going to the Boo Bash at Ipswich River Park at the gazebo. And I hope to see you all there. Have a wonderful weekend.